nowadays, ang proseso karon, no, normally sa mga developed countries na nasa yung resources, or even here in the Philippines, no, when you reach 40, yung mga age before print, mga, at least, you have to have one mammography. No? It's a screening test yapon, no, nga mahibalaan, madakpan sa, wala siyang x-ray, no? Madakpan dito na yung mga early growth of mga breast masses, no? Makik-anay na dito. Kaya kanang ang unang screening is kanang breast self-exam, no? Wala kayo makapa. Pero usahay, wala kayo makapa. Pero with mammography, kaya mas accurate man siya, kaya x-ray man siya halos, pick up yun. No? Kanang makakapa ka na, dako-dako na siya. Dako na siya. Pero na mammography, minute pa, gamay pa kaayo nga, murag mong tubo. Di siya na, even, kuhan pa lang, gasugod pa lang yun, mag-pick up na siya sa mammography. Underutilized siguro sa mga ibang lugar, no? Kaya wala siguro equipment, or most probably, costly food. Ang uban food, they are not aware that they have to do that. No? Annual, at least annual, kuhan ba, no? Karon kining mga assay, this are good follow-up screening test. No? In the event na nagkangkangan na ka suso or nag-lampectomy ka na, dapat na ako'y constant follow-up punta. No? Before it gets to a late stage like what you have now, murag stage 4 na. Anyway, the plan is correct, no? A hormonal therapy could be helpful, more so with a radiation therapy. But you have to emphasize also that your other breast should be closely watched. Okay? If you have a breast cancer on one breast, there's a good chance that you might have another breast cancer in your opposite breast. No? So, bantayanan po na. Pero some doctors are very aggressive. No? Dili sila mo lampectomy. Usually, wag nakita na sila ang they would rather do a radical or modified radical mastectomy. No, I seldom hear of lumpectomy. It's more of a modified or radical mastectomy. Ang mga lymph nodes, ginatangtang appeal, master, lymph nodes, diri sa part sa suso, ginatangtang nakuha na. Pero binang lumpectomy lang. Lampit. Pero ang mga dili yun ang the whole breast mass. Ang kuha lang, ang mga lymph nodes na nagtangtang. Anyway, we're thankful na after nag-relapse, after 8 years, no, halos, no, this is a good kuhan gapon. Maybe your doctor before was right, no, in a way, lumpectomy lang, pero siguro, close follow-up yun mo aming mga assays, mga receptors. Before na fourth stage na, nakita na siya. So, ang spread. Anyway, other than their plan to do cobalt, or hormonal therapy, I don't know if they suggest pa ba ang chemo sa imuha? Pag-yapit chemo. No? Depende sa oncologist, no? The more, the better, usahay. No? Surgery may not be necessary siguro. No? Or maybe, unless na naapod yung sa tubo sa other part of your breast. So, pero nga nung di ba sila di ba nila ipa-check in mong breast? Ultrasound. Okay, I was thinking, wala ultrasound. Dapat ipa-ultrasound. Both breast, mas maayo. Kadang afflicted breast lang. So, negative sa ultrasound. Naga na nakita niya po? Asa? So, nakita niya. Same breast. Pero be careful with your other breast kasi na ongoing growth niya gapon. So na-ultrasound gapon niya ay lately lang ultrasound noon. So na yung mga masses, na yung advanced na sad.
Hindi ka lang yan. Kaya mo lang.
Oh, the reason nga murag useless na amat na depende siguro no, kaya I'm not a surgeon either. The rationale nga dili na lang i-remove ang breast limb kay kalat naman. Wala naman siya sa kuan. No, useless naman nga tangtangon tapos magkalat naman ang cancer cells sa imong bones. Pero siguro taken care of by the hormonal therapy. If have a chemotherapy po siguro o makuan o panangitan na yung buhat. No? The plan of management right now is right, is correct. No? Tama ang buhaton diya sa imuha. Plus or minus chemotherapy. Labi pa diya sa imuhang bone, sa imuhang lumbar area. So that is the part where they will do the sa imong cobalt. No? Yan nila iko-cobalt siguro na the part spread. Oh. You look healthy, you don't look that sick, no? So I'm sure at the moment, ang among advice is get a lot of calcium supplementation. No? Kay bone na may apektado, so take a lot of food that is rich in calcium. No? So nga natay murag compliments from our brother Amado. No, this is kanang mga natural no, made from honey, lemon, tapos lactobacilli, no? Energizer ang tawag, no? The good part here is another form of treatment, immunotherapy, no? Immune system. Kapalumantang ang cancer, more than that is other than murag a malignant to be an immune problem, no? The fact that are prone to developing cancer because of their immune status, no? Not everybody can have cancer. So immunotherapy should be part and parcel of the treatment, no? In the United States, naman galing sila yung mga kind of a vaccine, no? Vaccine as part of the immune therapy. This one, medyo alternative na immune therapy through lactobacilli, no? Through mga honey and some herbs, no? And of course, napoy version ang sila na more of a tea, no? Green tea, ganyan. This is good because like green tea plus this is fortified by vitamins and minerals. No? You may try this. This is in a way helpful kay makatabang sa imuhang immune system, no? Makapag-boost sa imuhang energy. Kay kadaghanan mo sa cancer, especially if you start with chemotherapy or cobalt, no? Chemotherapy per se, no? Magdubuin mong resistance because the normal cells are also being killed, no? The idea of chemotherapy is supposedly to destroy and kill cancer cells. Pwede man maiwasan pati ang normal cells maapektuhan. Like you would expect after chemotherapy ang imuhang red blood cells munubo. So kinahanglan kag salinan og dugo, no? Ang imong platelets munubo. No? After you expect that, no? Before right after chemotherapy. So kinahanglan medyo bago imuhang kuan, imuhang health status before you undergo. So I would expect na imong doctor before mag-start sila og chemo, i-check yun na imong dugo kay medyo sa anemic side ka, ilisan sa ka dugo, no? Ang ubang chemotherapy maghatag pa man gani sila og kanang kay ang di naman red blood cells ang munubo, pati white blood cell munubo po ang chemo. So naitambal nga ginahatag ko nga mag-boost gyapon sa imong white blood cell. In the same way nga naitambal nga ginahatag nga mag-boost po sa imong red blood cells, no? Na erythropoietin nga murag may stimulate ang paggawa sa imong red blood cells. At the same time naapod leukogen ang tawag ana. Tagaan po na ang mga patients who underwent chemotherapy with Nupugen para ma-stimulate po ang white blood cell because we know the white blood cell muna siya ang panlaban natin sa mga infection or sa mga kagaw, no? So, na siya, part and parcel na siya supposedly sa chemotherapy. Cobalt can kill also the cancer cells, no? Kay radiation ang action ana, pero gamay lang kayo side effect ang cobalt sa blood. Pero with chemo, dako kayo siya side effect. You would expect mo, manubo yung red blood cell, yung white blood cell manubo, yung platelets manubo. So this thing should be considered by your doctor when they start you with chemo. Pananglitan. At this point, i-suggest pa lang man, no? Murag natin sigurado yun nga planong buhaton sa imuha is the cobalt.